Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Chet here from Avion Technology here in the Chicagoland area. We are an agency that works with other agencies to help scale them up, turn them around, make them more profitable. I have also gained about 10 pounds in the last 1 month. Today, I'm going to do a quick video about top tools for UI UX designers in 2025. Why am I looking there? Because I have my notes kept there. Thank you so much. As a quick FYI, I'm also wearing a shirt which is probably my shirt from back when I was in college, so it's really tight and I can barely breathe today. So, what are the top tools for UI UX designers in 2025? So, we're going to discuss 5 tools. Most all of them I have used in some shape or form, so I can vouch for it. They're all good. Definitely check them out. Oh, but by the way, who is this video for? It's essentially for non-techies or people who are just starting out in the technology world. So check this out, and these are tools that you should definitely see and try. First one is Figma. Figma has almost become a gold standard for design now. Check it out. It's really good for real-time collaboration. Second is Adobe XD. Adobe Suite has been around for a long time. I don't know how many of you remember Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. It's like a long time back. There's Adobe Photoshop. So Adobe XD is like the extent, it's the product from Adobe after Photoshop. Third one is Sketch. I like Sketch because of its strong vector editing capabilities. That's why I like Sketch. Next is InVision. Also use a lot of InVision. InVision has really good testing capabilities and feedback tools, and it integrates really well with tools like Slack and Jira. The last one is Canva. Canva is in the news right now. Canva, people have really adopted fast with Canva because it has a very user-friendly interface, and it also has a really good library of templates and graphics that you can use. So if you're a newbie, I would say start out with Canva. If you've been in designing for some time, try Figma or Adobe XD. Then again, if you've been doing this for some while, you will not be watching this video because you probably have some tool that you use already. But yeah, if you just want to find out what's en vogue, what's in the news, what's everyone in the design world using, it's Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch, InVision, and Canva. There's also others out there like Axior, Usability Hub, Principle, Webflow, Notion. I've not seen a lot of people use these, and I have not used them myself, so I cannot vouch for them. So I hope this video makes sense. If you like my videos, press like. If you want to subscribe, press subscribe. If you want to be notified of every time we post a video, click on the bell icon. Otherwise, this is me here, Chet from Avion Technology, and I promise to reduce like 10 pounds in the next 1 month. I can see myself and I'm like, geez, is this you? But yeah, I really need to lose some weight. And so I promise to lose 10 pounds in the next 1 month. So the videos that you'll see from me in January will be a slimmer version of me, hopefully. Or maybe not, maybe I would have gained even more weight. But thank you so much, all of you. Happy December, happy holidays, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.